So yeah, I love this thing, and this is of 60 ml, and this is the bottle. Okay. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and this video is very interesting video. By the title you must have understood I'm gonna unbox a video, so let me show you as in what I'm gonna unbox in this video. Yeah, so this is a box which I have received from SMYTTEN. As in, see, first of all, I'm very late reviewing this application or particular website. A lot of people already have reviewed it. About this particular website, I want to tell you that I came across to this website and application like quite a long time. But then I go through it and I got to know that yeah, I can order 3 sample size products, but I have to pay some shipping charges. So I didn't want to as in literally put my money in something where I have to pay and call it for as a free product. So I didn't go for it, but then I got to know, one of my friend told me that you can order 6 sample size products from SMYTTEN and you have to pay for 199 rupees. First of all, I like this idea that in just 200 rupees you are getting 6 sample size products, so you can judge 6 products. You like whether you want to try it out or you don't want it, you like it, you dislike it, whatever. And after that, she told me that you're gonna get back 168 rupees in your SMYTTEN wallet. So if you order any particular product from that website or that application, you can use that, redeem that 168 rupees, which is quite what? Literally nice. A good deal, good steal. And then more 31 rupees, whatever get deducted, that you can get in your Paytm account. If you use Paytm, you can redeem that 31 rupees from a purchase. You do it from Paytm, you can just deduct that amount from your amount of the purchase. Yeah, so this is what about SMYTTEN. Right now you can get 6 products in total for free. Like, you getting me? I clearly mentioned how it is and clearly explained you how it is free. So 6 sample size products you get, and I like one idea that you can judge the product. You can understand whether you like it or you dislike it, and then you can invest more amount in it. If it is expensive, then you don't want to waste or invest money if that thing is not working out for you. First try it. If it is working out for you, then you can spend more money onto that products. This is a very good idea that you can try products first and then you can go for it. So I really like the idea, and I guess everyone must be aware of this website and application. I don't need to tell you more about it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump into the products. So this box is right now over here in my hand. So like, I didn't open this box at all. Your product details are over here, and it's not that they can send you anything. I'm just chopping it off in front of you guys. It's not like they're gonna give you anything. You're just gonna get whatever you have ordered for free. It's not that any subscription box like you get products of their choice and one product of your choice. No, everything you're getting of your own choice. So the very first thing I got is this aloe vera gel from St. Divins. I didn't try any product from this particular brand. This says it contains vitamin E and it is paraben free, mineral oil free, PEG and PG free. It means they don't test and try products on animals, which is a very good thing because I'm an animal lover and I would hate if I'm using a product which is tested on animals. No. So this is the bottle, and it is like, for me, it is like not a sample size product. It's a small product. You can travel friendly product. You can put it in your bag, purse, or your sling bag, wherever you want to try. And it is a aloe vera gel. Smells citrusy, fresh minty kind of a thing. It's not smelling like aloe vera, but it has a fresh fragrance in it. And the next product I have received from same brand, same size, 60 ml, and this also retails for 200 rupees. This also retails for 200 rupees, and it is a lavender face wash from Scent Divins, and plus it has rose water in it, and this is also paraben, SLES free, mineral oil free. They say it is cooling, soothing and rejuvenating lavender oil aloe vera vitamin E face wash. So let's just smell this out. Now, yeah, it has a lavender fragrance, and I don't know, I would have to try, then only I can give review. And yeah guys, I'm gonna show you 6 products. Even I'm gonna try them out. That's why I bought them, as in I've got them, as in so that I can judge those products. If I like it, then I can go for, you know, big size products. So if you want review of any product, then please comment down below. I would love to do it. So do comment down below whatever you feel about this video, and like whatever you like, if you want me to give you a review of any products amongst these. So the third product is Uplift Trans Caffeine Face Cream by MCaffeine. I have used quite a lot of products from MCaffeine. You must have seen, I have reviewed also. I got them in my Fab Bag, Glow Box, many subscription boxes. I used to buy subscription boxes earlier a lot. And then I have given a review on my Insta as well. If you don't follow me on my social media, please go follow for such videos and my regular daily life routine. And let us take the smell of it. Yeah, it has a cream, like a lotion sort of a fragrance which you get in every face cream. You can call this as a sample size product. This is a 8 ml product, and yeah, but it is quite sufficient to make a judgment if you whether you like it or dislike it. And there is no price written on this. There is all the details are the ingredients and everything, and manufacture date, expiry date, everything is written on the sample size product, which is a very good thing. So let's move on to the next product, which is also from MCaffeine, and this is their new launched Choco Caffeine Glow Face Pack with aloe and seaweed. What is seaweed? I don't know, but it is gel based for dry skin. I'll just open and see how it is. This is kinda it is, and I will definitely make a video on this because I would love to try and share with you guys that how I felt about this product and how it worked for me. So this is this is of 600 rupees for 50 ml, and this is a 15 ml product. So it will be like 200 or 150 or something like that for this sample size product. And this is also, you can sample size, this is a 15 ml product, but this is also quite enough, but as in to make a judgment. Face packs you can try for once and make in judgments. So yeah, this is the 4th product, and the 5th product is this Obuse Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. When I saw this, I just loved it because I love eyebrow pencils. It is in the shade Dark Brown. I love eyebrow pencils. As in, this is not tested on animals, which is again a good thing. This is of 14 gram, and this is a full size product, guys. This is not a sample size product. You get eyebrow pencil of this size only. And I love eyebrow pencils. You must have seen in a lot of videos that I always draw my eyebrows with a pencil, and if I want, then I put some other products like top product on top of it. But I always go for eyebrow pencils when it comes to, you know, and in regular life also for daily routine I do my eyebrows with a pencil. This also I have done with pencil and brushed with the same textured brush which comes with the eyebrow pencils. So it has a cap and it has a brush bristles. You can brush your hair, eyebrow hair with this. And let me just see. It is really dark, but let me see how it works on my head, because my eyebrows are dark. They are dark brown. I like it. Let me see the texture when I use it, and I will give you a review on my Instagram. Definitely follow me on my Instagram, so you will get many reviews on my stories. Because I keep on trying products. I don't share everything on YouTube because some are very small and some are like just normal products which I am trying for the first time, and I like it, I share it. So yeah, the last product is from this brand Pink, with ending with Q, and it is a triple XL sanitary napkin, and they have given a panty liner along with it. And I'm not going to open this up. It is a sanitary napkin. I chose this because I am not a sanitary napkin person. I don't use that much. I mostly use tampons because those are comfortable and I am habitual of using that. So I like it. And panty liners, I do use panty liners. I do use panty liners, and they're my saviors, you know. So yeah, what review I'm gonna give you about sanitary napkin? But I want to try this out. If I like it, then I'm gonna share a story on my Instagram. Do follow me so you'll understand whether I liked it. It is nice or no. What kind of thing it is comfortable or no, whatever, I'm gonna share, so you will come to know how it is. And yeah, these were 6 products which I got for free from SMYTTEN. I would definitely recommend this application. I'm gonna link everything in the description box, their website, their application, and yeah, you can definitely go for it. Like, you're getting 6 products in just 200 rupees, and that also you're getting back in your wallet. But yeah, if you don't purchase anything next time, then definitely you're gonna lose your 200 rupees. But that's not losing, you know, you guys are getting 6 products, and then I've got 7 because I got 2 products in one packet. 6 products, like 1 full size product, 2 medium size products which you can use for, I guess, 15 days, 2 sample size products. This also you can go for like 5 to 6 days. This you can use for once or twice or thrice. Depends upon your application, how you apply it, like thick layer, thin layer. This is a one-time use product. Yeah, so I really loved it. I would definitely recommend this. And this is not a sponsored video, guys. I just liked it. I got these products and loved this scheme of them. I loved the idea of it, so I wanted to share with you all. There are a lot of videos on this. I'm already very much late about sharing something good and informational and beneficial thing with you all. I'm already late, but as in I received it, I loved it, I am going to share with you all. I am going to tell you all because it is a very good thing. In just 200 rupees, you are getting so many things. And yeah, as I told you, like I said, you're going to get that money back in your wallet. You use it, you can use it next time. So it is nothing bad, you know, to give it a try. You try it, you love it, you use it. You do it next time. If you don't like it, don't do it. But definitely I would recommend this. Do try, get your free products and sitting at home. And I got, you know, I forgot to tell you, I ordered this product. I got in just 3 days. Like, I ordered at night, next day, like after 2 days, 3rd morning, it was at my place. I loved it. I loved it. I hope you must have liked my video, and if you have, then please do subscribe to my channel and do like my video. If you have subscribed to my channel, then thank you very much. Keep watching my videos always and keep sharing that with your friends, family and everyone. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, you keep watching my videos and keep loving me. Bye bye.